Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add Internet Download Manager extension to Edge browser here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, please type for Edge. The moment you have typed it, a best match which is Microsoft Edge would appear. Click on Open to continue and wait until you are being redirected to the Edge browser. Once you're here, expand the browser first and navigate to the upper right side of that where you can see three dots. Click on it. Okay. And here you need to scroll down and look for an option called extensions. Tap on it. And here you would be able to see extensions. You need to go with manage extensions. Tap on it once again and wait until you are being redirected to the Edge extensions. Here at the extensions window, go with get extensions for Microsoft Edge. Click on it. And here, you just have to wait until you are being redirected to the Microsoft Edge add-ons where you can add extension to your Microsoft Edge. Okay, so use the search toolbar here and search for Internet Download Manager or simply type IDM for short and go with this IDM Download Manager. Tap on it. And there you can see the very first result, which is IDM integration module. Now click on this get option aligning to it, and it's now checking. You just have to wait and go with add extension to confirm your action. Okay. And close this window and navigate here at the three dots again. Go with extensions, click on it, and go with manage extensions. And there you have that. You have just successfully set or add extension for IDM integration module in your Microsoft Edge. Okay. So simply close this window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.